Hi and welcome to Kopesi core banking system demonstration. So Kopesi banking system is developed by Pesatech Solutions Limited and is designed to digitize and automate business processes for savings and credit cooperative societies. The system has got three access channels. That is, we have got the mobile app and USSD that is used for members and customers, and then we have got a web application that is used by staff. So the three access channels include again, like we said, a mobile app, a web app, and a USSD channel. The mobile app and USSD channels allow Sacco members to be able to view their balances and statements. It also allows them to submit savings contributions and to borrow and repay loans. The web application allows staff to carry out different tasks based on their roles, and this includes onboarding members and managing them, provisioning saving products and loan products, also managing loan applications, appraisals, approvals, and again, the back-end staff are able to do account postings and approvals and check different reports and audit trails. In the next section, we're going to do a dive into a live system and show you how the whole thing pieces. All right, so let's start with module. So this is the app. So the members are able to go to Google Play Store. The app is usually hosted on Google Play Store, and the members can be able to search for the app. This shows the number of apps that you've been able to develop for different clients. And if you search, you're able to get Kopesi, which is our demo app, and it's already installed on my phone. And so I'm just gonna open it. But if it wasn't installed, I can be able to download it and install it. In the app, on the home page, it provides a way to sign in, that is logged into the system as a member, or to register. Now, self-registration sometimes can be disabled for some instances, but again, it can be enabled for others. So for example, this one, we have got self-registration that is enabled. And in this case, what it means is that a new member can be able to put in their details or their KYC information, including uploading all the relevant data, then accept terms and conditions. And once they continue, the backend staff will be able to receive a notification that a new member has requested to register and needs to be approved by at least 2 staff so that that account can become active. Then that person will be able to receive a one-time password, which is a verification code. And once they enter that verification code, they will come here to sign in, then they will verify, they put in their phone number, they will receive the verification code, and that will allow them to be able to verify. For now, because I've already gone through the process, I'll just be able to log in using my PIN number. And once I log into the system, I'm able to go to my home page as a member, and I'm able to see my balances, the loan balance and the wallet balance. I can be able to drill down any of them. For example, the wallet balance, I can be able to see the transactions of how the transactions have happened. Same thing with my loan balance, I can be able to drill down and I can see the different types of loans that I've been able to borrow and the ones that are active. And of course, I can be able to, for example, if it's loan, I can see there is a loan that I have here. I can be able to say that I want to repay that loan and I want to repay the full amount, 57 shillings. I say repay. I would like to repay. You can pay from the mobile money or from wallet. So this time around, I want to pay from the wallet. And the moment I do that, then the loan will be repaid and I will be able to receive a message from the Sacco. And again, I can be able to check that from my statement that the loan has been repaid. All right, there it is. So if I go back to my loan and then I check my loan history, I should be able to see that this loan now has been repaid, as it can be seen there. And again, I have received a message from the Sacco and it tells me that your instant mobile loan payment has been received and the current loan balance is 0. And so basically that's how members can be able to check different things. When you go to the main menu, the members can be able to go to different saving schemes They can be able to view the statement for the different saving schemes and see how they have contributed. They can be able to make contributions. So, for example, I want to make 100 shillings to my Christmas savings and I want to pay that from the wallet. Again, if I say that I want to do that, again, I'm able to see that I have contributed. If actually I go back there and I check my statement, I should be able to see that there's 100 shillings that I've been able to deposit, and I should be able to receive a message, and there it is from the Sacco that tells me that I have deposited 100 shillings, and now I can see my Christmas saving balance is 4,100. And so the system, from the member perspective, the member is able to interact with the system from a mobile app. The second access reason, I can be able to dial star 690 star 1 hash. And once I do that, I'm able to access the menu. So I'm able to apply for loan. So the same menu that was in the mobile app is the same menu. So for example, here, let me say I want to go to the schemes number 5, and then I submit, and then I'm able to see which scheme do I want to get into. Christmas saving number 2. Again, I'm able to submit, and then I'm able to view details. So number 1, and I submit, and then I'm able to see the one that I contributed. Then I can be able to again go back home if I need to, and I can be able to go through the same process and even make a contribution. Say, for example, I want to contribute to the Christmas savings, so I put number 3, and then I indicate enter contribution amount. I want to do 100 shillings again, and again I will choose to contribute from my wallet, so number 1, and then again, if I can see that that contribution is successful, and I will be able to receive another message from the Sacco that will tell me that I have contributed. And if I again check the statement, I should be able to see that that will have been done. So basically, as we can see, the access channel for members, that is the USSD, there it is. We have the message that has come, and it says there 100 shillings Christmas saving. Again, now we can see it's changed the balance from 4,100 to 4,200. So the access channel for members, the two of them, the mobile app and USSD, allows the members to interact with the system and all that. So the second access channel, which I'm going to demonstrate, is the web app. And the web app, the backend staff are able to log in to the app. And what they do is that the system has got 3-factor authentication. So they will put in their username, which is usually the email, and the password. And once they put in the password and they sign in, the system will send a one-time password, which is sent to the email. So they'd have to come to the email and get the one-time password. The one-time password has been sent. And so if I get the one-time password and then I put it in, so the third factor, so that is the second factor, is a childhood name. And so if I enter the security question for my childhood name, then I'm able to enter. And remember, there are 3 security questions that are configured, and the system will randomly ask you any of those questions. So once I do that, then I'm able to get into the system. The landing page is the dashboard that shows the various business intelligence information, which shows, for example, how much has been earned from loan repayments, the number of loans that have been repaid, and the amount that has been repaid. That is graphed down there. Again, you see the number of customers or members that are in the system, the ones that are active and the ones that are inactive. The system also supports groups, and they can be configured. So we can see the amount of loan that has been issued and the ones that have been repaid. And again, we can be able to see the same thing there that is graphed. We can see the loan that is in arrears and how many loans those are. And again, the same thing is graphed. The statement of deposit that is able to show us how much members have been able to save and how many saving count that they have done. So from a business intelligence perspective, the staff who's logged in, they're able to see the different things. On the left hand side, you have got the main menu, and on the top right hand, you have got notifications that shows the staff who's logged in, the tasks that they need to do. For example, this staff, based on their permissions, they have got tasks for approving new customers. They have got tasks for approving some changes on loans, and their dividends that have been paid out. They need to approve that. So on the left hand side, as we can see, we have got main menu, and there's quite a lot that may not be demonstrated right now. And as you can see, again, like I said, once a new member is onboarded, whether through self-registration or through manual adding of a customer, then they have to be approved. But the customer submodule gives quite a lot, including how you add customers, and you can do that by through, again, self-registration, manually adding the customer or uploading the customers. You're able to manage the customers, that is activate or deactivate customers. You're able to edit details for the customer and approve those details. You're able to do credit profiling, and once again that has been done, it has to be approved. Quite a lot of things, including customer referrals, and even referral payouts. So again, the system is rich in features when it comes to customers. Again, you have got loans, and from loans you can be able to see all the loans that have been issued out, and you're able to see all the loans, the ones that have been written off, they are due for payment. You're able to see the loan balance report that shows all the loans and where they are. You're able to see the loan in arrears, so you're able to drill down all that. You have got penalty waiver. You can be able to waive penalty on loans. You can be able to reschedule for loans. You can be able to recall loans. Again, loan products is a key feature that allows you to create or provision different type of loans, and loans can be provisioned based on different parameters. For example, you can be able to create a loan that is linked to a savings scheme, and so only the people who are in that savings scheme can be able to access that loan. Like, for example, say you have got a Christmas loan savings, so you want to create a loan that is tied to the Christmas saving, and the idea behind it is that instead of someone withdrawing their savings, they can actually be able to take a loan against those savings and to sort out probably an emergency. And the process of creating and provisioning that loan again goes through a number of parameters, all the requirements for loan, the loan product, um, whether it's flexible or fixed, if it's flexible, the minimum and maximum amount, the processing fee, and if it's a percentage or just a figure, the interest rate type, can be reducing balance, one off, straight line, all those things. You have the loan period, it can be in days, weeks, months. Quite a number of things can be configured in terms of the loan provisioning. A lot of things. It requires almost probably 2 hours just to go through the process of loan provisioning. Um, yeah, so again, you have got loan product notification configuration, which basically means that for every loan that has been created, you're able to edit SMS notifications, whether you want to notify the customer when the loan has been applied, that I mean the loan application has been received, when the approval is done or rejected, when the loan is disbursed, the due date for repayment, when the loan rolls over, you send SMSs to guarantors when you request them, and when they accept again, the members are able to accept. So quite a number of things in terms of managing the SMSs. And of course, that leads us to the SMS module that allows that basically the system is able to send automatically SMSs to the members. And these are the ones that I was receiving when I was paying for my Christmas savings, and even when I took the loan. Again, it's possible to send bulk SMSs through the system, and you just upload a file and compose a text message. It's also possible, by the way, to send the message when you go to customers. It is possible to send SMSs, bulk SMSs, and you can go to target to different types of customers, whether they are active customers enrolled to a particular product. So again, the SMS communication module is powerful, and it allows the system to be able to communicate with members. You have the accounting module, and again, it's huge, starting from the start of account categories, and then you're able to do account postings, you're able to do bulk account postings, You're able to migrate opening balances. A lot can be done through that. Again, staff management, being able to create new staff, giving them permissions. Say, for example, if you go to staff permissions and you go for a particular staff, you're able to give permissions for different things, and that is depending on their role. Again, when you look at reports, again, there are different types of reports, from business intelligence reports to accounting reports. For example, if you go to accounting reports here, you're able to see uh, different types of reports, whether it's a trial balance sheet, and all that. And reports can be added at any one given time. You just need to give the report name. Say, for example, you want a balance sheet, and then you can be able to put in a code for that report, and then you select that you want a balance sheet. And once you come and create that, then the system will just be able to create that, and the balance sheet report is created. And again, if you come here, you're now able to view that balance sheet report. So again, report provisioning and being able to look at those reports is just a quick click and you're able to get that. Again, schemes, you're able to create different types of schemes. You have got interest earning schemes. You again, adding a scheme is just straightforward. You have the name of the scheme, how the interest is computed, the interest rate for that scheme, the contribution intervals and period, and again, how people make the contributions, the initial minimum and subsequent minimum amount that can be contributed. Quite a number of things again when it comes to schemes and saving schemes. Then again, the system comes with M-Pesa integration, and again, you can be able to see M-Pesa pay bills that are integrated, and you're able to see the transactions for the pay bill. So you can actually be able to see the people who've been able to do different deposits. So you can be able to see all that. Again, quite a lot. So the system basically is a feature-rich system, and it can take quite a bit of time to do a demo. A good demonstration takes about 2 hours, a minimum of 2 hours. But I've tried to rush this one just for the sake of time. Otherwise, if you need more um, demonstration, you can let us know and we can be able to make arrangement for that. Thank you very much.